you in a Cadillac. I don't think this can become a bad day.
Hey guys, so today is May 1 and time check, it's already 9:49 PM gabi. 9:49 AM. Lutang naman, ba yan? So, we're on our way sa Cubao Expo kasi dun kami magla-lunch together with my loved ones. Advance birthday celebration. Kasi tomorrow pa yung birthday ko, which is May 2. So, yun. Magla-lunch kami sa Habanero. Hindi kaya din kasi May 1 kasi nga akala ko baka may pasok yung brother ko ng May 2. Kasi, di ba, May 1 holiday. So, ayun. Bakasyon naman din pala niya. Yung ilang weeks lang. Kaya, ayun, ano na nangyari? Na-stuck in the moment na sila. So, ayun, yun, doon kami magla-lunch sa Habanero kasi hindi pa nila natatry doon. Kaya gusto ko ipatry sa kanila. Dapat talaga sa Boro, pero Habanero na lang kasi parang for me, mas okay doon eh. And, yun nga lang, parang wala yatang aircon doon. May aircon ba doon? Sa loob, baby?
Wala.
Hindi ko din sure kasi last time punta kami doon pandemic pa eh, kaya sa may labas lang eh. Tapos wala talaga reservation doon or something, kaya walk-in lang kasi dinadayo talaga siya eh. Siguro naman ngayon medyo di na siya ganun ka-hype kasi nung pandemic na hype talaga siya eh sa TikTok, kaya doon ko din siya na-discover eh. So yeah, after noon nag-request si Cassie, akala mo siya may birthday eh, no? Nag-request siya mag-V-jump, kaya ayun, mag-V-jump kami after kumain eh, no? Tapos talon-talon. So, yun lang. Lola, say hi.
Hi. Kailangan mabusog ako.
Ayaw mag-down. Ayun mo, pindutin mo to.
Uy, ba't ganyan?
Wala, magtitinga ako.
Uy, edit yan ah.
Huwag.
Matagin na natin dito mga EDSA. Hindi mo talaga dami. Ito wall tapos. Wala ka rin ito din dami. Matayaan.
Thank you. Kay Lolo. Ah, same na yun.
Wala na.
Isa lang pala yun.
Hindi ko makuha. Divided by ano?
Wow. Sana ganun. Sana divided by. Ay, thank you. Manipis pala. Kala ko makapal. Oo, kabidyo.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine. You be
Go!
got me down right
Ano yan? Ano nangyari? Masakit? Ha? Ala! 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 Ano ba yan?
independent, you hard-headed, too damn confused about what we had. Was all for it, all that was wrong shut up inside. But I was foolish, not driven in the moment space. I had to lose it, my feelings muted, moving into what we had to run through.
my friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well.
Holy shit!
In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those times. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while, but best friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch, 'cause everybody knows it will never be the same. We move on and people change, and best friends are growing up, and I wanna tell the reason why I never get to see them, but clearly they don't need to know. Still on my phone, I'll look back at the pictures and I'll reminisce when I'm alone to keep myself from forgetting. Will we ever meet again on this side of heaven?
Okay, bye guys.
Best friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch, 'cause everybody knows it will never be the same. We move on and people change, yeah, best friends are growing up.
doon. Shoot mo, shoot. Ganyan tatakbo ka doon. Ang tangkat kasi. Ba't ganun?
Wala tuhod mo?
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was like a job when we ended, but now I'm moving on to the next one. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love the
guys. Sumama ako sa photo booth ah. Siyempre kasama ko. Solo lang ako dun. Bro.
Saktong size lang naman. Na ating size.
Okay.
Bagay.
Hirap sa tubig eh.
Thank you po.
Hey guys. Ano to? So today is May 2 and it's my birthday. Tingnan ko.
Happy birthday.
Magpakita ka. Dito kami sa SM North. Again. Dito na din kami magmamas later. So, yeah.
Na siya ang puno ng ubas at talo ko ang mga saba. Na tinatawag ko niyang manatili sa kanya.
Ask what you're saying about me. I heard the news. You don't like my moves. It's a shame I'm built for the shit. Me and my bros are just made for the shit. 근데 많이 너무 많아.